Okay, YouTube. This is my build. It's a Bayside beach cruiser, kind of like a Huffy Cranbrook. I'm not sure what brand it is. I got it from a friend. It has a YD100 with an HP carburetor. It has an auto chain tensioner, or like a spring-loaded chain tensioner here. The CNC CDH Power rear hub and sprocket, 40 tooth. Goes about 35. You can push it faster than that, but it's really cranking them RPMs up. I don't feel comfortable going faster than that. The MZ65 clone pipe. Running rear brakes only. That's kind of sketchy. I don't like that. Need to fix that. I've been giving myself plenty of time to slow down, but in an emergency situation where I had to stop fast, I would be screwed. So I drive with caution. I have a dual brake lever coming in for it, and then I got rid of the stock throttle and went with a quad style, quick thumb throttle. Crappy cheap little light. Use my phone for a speedometer in the phone holder here. That little guy locks down on it. Got a camouflage canteen bag up there to make myself a little pouch to put tools in. Anyways, yeah, well, let's go for a ride. I don't know, probably about 5-6 miles from my house, out in the middle of nowhere. This is a memory fireworks place. That's why I drove out here. It just brings memories back coming out this way. And we're gonna go that way, up and over that overpass. There is Highway 2029. Anyways, hope you get a good view of all this.